Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Eurow YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a very special product that's going to replace your paper towels and wipes. Say hello to the Eurow Reusable Micro Wipes. Our micro wipes are a one-of-a-kind grab-and-go microfiber wipes that's going to make your cleaning process easier. These guys are available in 4 different colors: blue, orange, yellow, and white, making it perfect to color code during your cleaning session. Each box comes with 50 12-inch by 12-inch microfiber towels, and all you have to do is grab and go. These towels are made with 85% of polyester and 15% polyamide, making it perfect for removing dirt, grime, grease, oil, and smudges by lifting and trapping it between the fibers. These non-abrasive cloths are ideal for any situation when cleaning inside your home, whether it's kitchen counters, your office, your garage, your bathroom. It is great at picking up all that dirt and grime. All you have to do is pull, use, wash, and reuse. These wipes are durable, and a box will last you for a very long time if you keep in mind how to wash and how to care for your microfiber towels. And that's the end of this video. If you guys are interested in our micro wipes, check the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday. Bye.